Hey guys, I'm gonna do a remake of this Hampton Bay Quick Connect. I believe when I first made the video, this was 2 of 3, because this the place I'm filming this at has 3 Quick Connects. Like I said, I believe this one was the second one I uploaded. But I'm gonna do a remake of it today, with me actually talking this time, unlike in the other one where it was silent. So yeah. And I'm gonna also, not sure if you've seen the other videos yet. I'm doing like a whole remake series of the fans at my grandparents' house right now. And I'm shortening the formula up a bit. So I'm doing 30 seconds per speed instead of what I did before, which is like a minute. I mean, not really much to say about this fan, except it does seem to be a little wobbly, which is peculiar because it's flush mounted. So I don't know why it would be wobbling. It is wobbling quite a bit though. Maybe because the door for this room is closed and it's kind of a smaller room. This fan is definitely a bit big for this room size, I will admit. Let's put it back to low. Where's the reverse switch? Oh, it's right there. All right, I'm not gonna touch that until it stops. Because safety. I don't ever want to encourage people putting their hands close to spinning fan blades. That's not safe in the slightest. So I'm not gonna show that in the video. I'm hoping this one doesn't have like a super long spin down. I don't think it will, but maybe. There's like the original spin down view. But yeah, this fan is like really big for the room, all things considered. This is a pretty small room. And they have, I believe the Quick Connect's a 52-inch fan. So, I don't know why they went with something so big, but they did. And it's a bit powerful. So I'm interested to see what'll happen for reverse here. I think we'll be fine, but I'm not entirely sure, you know? But we'll see. The lighting today is much better than it was in the original video, though, where all I had was a single lamp. Now I actually have some natural light, which is cool. Okay, now that we've fully stopped, I will change the direction. All right, and let's go start it on low. All things considered, these actually have a pretty nice low speed. And I'm not the biggest fan of Hampton Bay. Okay, so on low it was pretty quiet, but now it's starting to hum a little. I don't know if you guys can hear that. It's also making a very slight ticking noise. Not sure what that's all about. Here we are on high. It's definitely humming now. I'm sure you guys can hear that. Turned it off. Put it back on low where I found it and switch the direction when I'm done. Because I found it in the low forward, so I'm gonna put it back in low forward. Alright, that's fully stopped. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching, and remember, stay cool, everybody.